Fishbone diagram, also called cause and effect diagram or Ishikawa diagram, is a root cause analysis tool used to structure a brainstorming session to identify many possible causes for an effect or a problem. This method was developed by Kaoru Ishikawa during the 1960s as a way of measuring quality control processes in the shipbuilding industry. Today, this root cause analysis tool is considered one of the 7 basic quality tools, and it is effective when a team's thinking tends to fall into roots. How to do the fishbone diagram? Pre-requirements. First, you will need a flip chart or whiteboard and some pen markers. Choose who will be the facilitator. Include team members who have personal knowledge of the processes and systems involved in the problem or event to be investigated. Step 1. Agree on the problem statement, also referred as effect. Write it on the mouth of the fish. Be as clear and specific as possible about the problem. Consider performing a 5W1H for the problem description in advance. Step 2. Agree on the major categories of causes of the problem. This will be added as branches of the main arrow. The most common are man, machine, method, materials, measurement, environment. Step 3. Brainstorm all possible causes of the problem. Ask why does this happen? As each idea is given, the facilitator writes it as a branch from the appropriate category. Causes can be written in several places if they relate to several categories. Step 4. Perform a second round of whys, aiming to generate a deeper level of sub-causes. This should give you multiple potential causes. You could run a third round of why of selected causes if you find it relevant. Validate potential causes. After brainstorming session is done, all potential causes must be checked to confirm if they are part of the problem or not. Consider one-page report for each validation process. Step 6. Review Ishikawa diagram. Once validation process is complete, update the initial diagram with valid or not valid and the date of validation. Step 7. Prepare corrective action. Valid potential causes must be well described and with a proper action plan in place to fix the issue. Some tips. Use the fishbone diagram tool to keep the team focused on the causes of the problem rather than the symptoms. Consider drawing your fish on a flip chart or large whiteboard. Make sure you leave enough space between the major categories of the diagram so that you can add minor detailed causes later. Encourage each person to participate in the brainstorming activity and to voice their own opinions. Note that the 5 whys technique is often used together with the fishbone diagram. Keep asking why until you get to the root cause. Continue going through the rounds, getting more causes until all ideas are exhausted.